become a booking affiliate. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I'll show you how to start earning commissions promoting hotels and travel bookings. If you want to start right now, use the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the sign-up page. Booking is one of the biggest hotel and accommodation platforms in the world, with millions of properties including hotels, apartments, resorts, and vacation rentals. The easiest way to become a booking affiliate is through the Travel Payouts affiliate network. Again, if you want to create your account, use the verified and safe link in the description and pinned comment to register. You can also learn more about affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliadues.com, where I explain how travel affiliate programs work. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Booking Affiliate Program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you'll receive your affiliate links to promote hotels and travel stays from Booking. Every time someone books a hotel using your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting hotels and earning commissions online, click the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment and create your affiliate account.